STEMarts at the Paseo is a youth program designed for the Paseo Festival. We place a Paseo artist into every middle and high school in Taos County. And we also coordinate hands-on maker activities during the festival. So in total, we engage hundreds of students and their families. The Paseo mission is to transform art through community and community through art. So it's the perfect platform for local students to use these tools to play, to explore, and to imagine a better world. What makes the program unique is that teachers and students work with the artists leading up to the event, and then they get to create art with the artists for the festival. So they get to be part of a professional collaboration. We also choose artists that apply science, technology, and engineering through this new genre of participatory or interactive art. And in this way, the students get to be exposed to 21st century thinking and art-making techniques that actually develop real work skills, like projection mapping, programming, and sound engineering, for example. For a few nights a year, Taos comes alive at night with a 100% free festival with cutting-edge art that's also family-friendly and education-focused. To learn more about the STEMarts Youth Program and the Paseo Project, you can visit www.paseoproject.org.